Hey, greetings. Truck update. Faulkner Fixes All here. Yeah, really tired of driving around with this giant square rust hole on the side of the bed. Decided to actually finally do something about it. Yeah, I probably should have welded it in from the top before the bed was in, but we're gonna do what we can do. Here's what we got going on. A little piece of backer metal behind there, and I'm going to spot weld these holes, and then I'm going to make another piece that butts against that, and then it'll come up and there's a little seam there. And like I say, it'd be better to weld from the seam down with the bed not in there, but the bed's in there and I just can't deal. So I'll weld this, I'll put a tack there, maybe a tack here, weld that seam, and yeah, just call it. I think I might make a stainless plate for this too and trim these off. If there's some damage here also, I think I'm gonna make a little stainless backer plate for each side. Anyway, that's the update, and yeah, and it's starting to rain and I'm outside. Wish me luck. I'll show you this other hole I gotta fix too. We did fix the tranny. It's got new synchros, new bearings in the cluster, and a new counter shaft, and it shifts perfectly now. No more holding it in second gear. That's really sweet. Yeah, we did fix the tranny with much ado. Anyway, behind this little behind here is another little surprise. That's the cab support there, and it's still on there, but yeah, there's another little surprise for you in here. I patched the other side a long time ago, but this is also really unsightly and it's kind of bugging me, and yeah, it's time. I'm going to try to get to that today also, preferably before it rains. Anyway, let's just put that back on there and pretend like nothing was ever there. We got the panels in, the door panels, hinge covers. And this other side, I might respray this door to match. This is the original paint, but this other door was a red door, and we sprayed it to kind of match. But now, yeah, don't look at that rust hole there. Now this door is cleaner and shinier than that door, so it might be a respray, but I hate to respray over original paint, you know. Anyway, I had to on this because it was red, which was bugging me. Yeah, and there was a hole here too, and I patched it a while back when I was first getting the truck running. It's not the greatest patch, but it's not a hole, so that's good. All right, let's weld this up before it starts raining on us. Yeah, we're gonna weld this up, and I'll give you guys an update when it's a little further along, because it's kind of boring right now, you know. And remember, less talk and more work. That's what a commenter, a subscriber said, so I figured I would talk an awful lot on this one just to kind of get them going there. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and I'll give you an update on the welding when it's kind of done. Okay, see you.